Hi, I'm Eli Gonzalez with bareMinerals, and I'm here with...
Janice, hi.
Hi, Janice.
Hi.
And we're here to talk about foundation, specifically a beautiful foundation called BarePro Liquid. How do you feel about foundations?
I am looking for full coverage, but I get concerned that the foundation is going to clog my pores or kind of do damage to my skin.
Well, and I know there's a lot of people that have that concern with foundations that give that full coverage, but I have the perfect product for you in BarePro.
Perfect.
It will give you that full coverage that you're looking for, and actually even more than that.
Awesome.
It will make your skin better with the times you wear it.
That's amazing. How does it do that?
Because it has papaya enzymes.
Okay, what does that do?
It's going to gently exfoliate your skin.
Wow.
And it also has bamboo extract, which is going to create a soft, focused layer. BarePro, one pump in your hand, and you notice how luxuriously soft and creamy it looks.
Doesn't look drying at all.
And it isn't. So I'm going to pick up the product from my hand, loading the brush, and you gently glide it. That way, you'll build that beautiful full coverage.
The brush is one of the softest things I've ever felt on my face.
It really feels like you're using your fingers.
Yeah. And the product is way more lightweight than I expected from something that's such full coverage. It feels like the foundation's actually going onto my face and not sinking into the brush.
Absolutely. And you can see just by this application, now I'm pressing it to build a little bit more coverage, how beautiful your skin looks.
Yeah, it's a big difference between the two sides.
Are you ready to do the other side?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Remember, one pump.
Okay.
And here's your tool.
Just start in the center, short strokes.
You see how beautiful that coverage is building without making it look heavy.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like I'm done. And this fingertip is genius because it just gets into every spot on your face that you want it to.
And it builds that coverage without making it look heavy. Also, one of the great parts is that it will be working with you until you're ready to take it off.
That's amazing. I'm really happy.